I think that I am going to have this plane performing the way I wanted it to perform. Look at that. There we go. Ooh. I got a little jukey with it there. I think maybe my battery shifted. Seemed like the weight was, yeah, it looked like the weight was a little bit off there. All right. That was just weird. So I think my battery shifted. I'm gonna have to take care of that. I have my XK A300 stagger wing back out here again today, and I've made more changes to this electronics and to the airframe. So, or not the airframe, but the setup on it. So let's see how this works out. My goal is to get a lot better roll rate than I had the first time out. So let's see where we are launching. Okay, so we're in fully stabilized mode at the moment. I still seem to be getting that porpoising out of it. I don't know if that's an airframe thing. You know, I even repositioned the gyro in it, thinking, well, maybe the gyro's just in a bad spot. Alright, so now we are in gyro mode, wind mitigation mode. So let's come through here and see what we have. I'll climb up a little bit to test it, because if the if the roll rate is still as slow as it was, I am going to need some altitude. Alright, let's see here. Going full throttle. Oh man! Did you see that? That wasn't too bad. It's not quite where I want it yet. That was to the left, so let's come back through here and try it to the right. Yeah, it looked like it was slower to the right to me. Try that again to the right. I give it a little negative. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of snap rolled it there. So it's a much better than it was. It's not where I want it yet, but I have a lot more. Look at that. I can do a split S maneuver now. I have a lot more adjustability and the linkage on the aileron. So I think I'm going to be able to get. The roll rate that I want when I bring it back out here again. And you know, on 2S with that 7x5 prop, it's got pretty good power, it's got pretty good performance, and I get about 6.5 minutes of flight time, or I should say between 6 to 7 minutes of flight time, depending on how I fly it, you know, how much I'm in the throttle. But I'm liking what I see. I think I'm going to be able to get it where I want it. Let's try a hammerhead here. Oh, that is nice. That pivot's really nice. I think I get that roll rate a little bit faster. I would say about 50% faster is where I would like to have it, or where I would like to have the roll rate. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. I get that roll rate about 50% faster than what it is right now. I think that I am going to have this plane performing the way I wanted it to perform. Look at that. There we go. Ooh. I got a little jukey with it there. I think maybe my battery shifted. Seemed like the weight was, yeah, it looked like the weight was a little bit off there. Alright. That was just weird. So I think my battery shifted. I'm going to have to take care of that. Okay, so let me come back through here and see if I can get it on the ground without damaging it. And then I want to I'll give you some information on what I've done to it so far, but I think that this plane, I'm going to go around one more time. I think that I am going to end up with a very aerobatic, absolutely gorgeous red biplane here. That's what I think. If I don't tear it up first. All right. Yeah, I think my battery may have shifted on me a little bit. Is that cool, or is that cool? I mean, that is the type of performance I was looking for out of this. Plenty of power to do good vertical climbs, big, huge, wide loops, split S maneuvers, and as soon as I can get the roll rate where I want it, I'll be doing some Immelmans with it too. But and how nice does that do stall turns, hammerheads? That looked beautiful up there, pivoting really slowly, coming back down. So it is excellent at doing hammerheads. All right, so that's where I am on this project right now. I'll bring it, when I bring it back out again, I will have some additional movement in the aileron control surfaces, and I think I'll have it right where I want it. All right, so stay tuned for that. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the TinkerzLab.